This is another episode of the Creek Fish and Lure Tournament. Today, last of the second round, we got the Rebel crankbait versus the baby chatterbait. So I'm going to tie this on here. I got down here at the river. We have a few spots to try here, but I'm going to move on pretty much quickly if I don't get anything to another spot. Alright. She's tied on, and here kind of looks like a deep hole over here. I don't know if there'd be any fish in there or not. Nothing right there. Shoot. This thing dives pretty good. You don't want to get it into branches. I got nothing. I'm already going to move on, but this spot has a ton of creek chubs in it that we're probably going to get into. But sometimes it's not as easy for them to get it in their mouths, which is probably a good thing. They looked at it. They're really smart though. In here. Oh, I had one. Man, they're aggressive. Man, they're aggressive. There's a fish. Well, that's a little fish, dang. 6 1/4 inch, little tiny bass. Got him. Well, he's in the boat, maybe. Yep. Dang. Bunch of small little fish. Nothing to really get excited about. But the chatterbait might have to beat not very many inches. All this little creek chub is an 8 1/2 inch. I mean, that's big for a creek chub, but like switching over to the chatterbait, will it be able to catch bigger than the Rebel? Should be able to. I mean, this is the Rebel crankbait didn't really catch that big a fish. There we go. Cinch it tight. Bite the tag. There we go. Rigged up. Let's move a little bit upstream. Guys, right here is a brown trout in the stream. Just a little brown. Not a very big one. Oh, he's gonna eat it. He's got it. Oh my gosh, he smashed it. No hesitation to hit the water, and I mean, he just smashed it. I mean, just smashed this minnow. That was so aggressive. I don't know how I didn't catch that fish. I don't even see him now. There's some shiners in here, but don't know where that trout went. Well, guys, it's a struggle to catch something a little bit bigger today. Well, I just caught this creek chub here on that chatterbait, but hey, you just can't get anything humongous today, or like even like 10 inches long, it seems like. Just gotta measure this one up to see. It is 8 1/4. 8¼ inch creek chub. Put him back over here, away from the fish. Throw him right there. One more fish already in the video, and that's going to determine already which one won. And it's going to the championship versus the spinnerbait. So well, I guess we're going to move on to another spot, try and catch our last fish with this. There's a spot where usually you can catch some nicer fish, but maybe not today. Next spot, here we are. See what's lurking out here. There was a fish. There's a fish. Hey, new species in the challenge, guys. New species, but it's not a very big fish, but it's rock bass on that little chatterbait. Cool looking fish. Take this right out of there. There we go, pop it right out. Let's measure up a little rock bass. He is 7 3/4. Let me see which one won. Looks like the chatterbait is going into the championship, and that was with 16 inches total. Not very many inches for going into the tournament, but can this thing catch bigger fish than that spinnerbait when it's in the championship? I don't know. I'm going to be fishing a whole nother new day, so I'm going to just toss this around a little bit just for fun, see what I can catch. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Chatterbait and the spinnerbait on the next one. Comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.